Okay guys, let's get into this. I need to make this video, which is kind of a follow-up video, because I've gotten so much personal response to the previous video I posted on this. Now, let's get into it. I know you guys want to make the kind of money I make, recurring income, very little work on your part, online, something you can do from anywhere in the world. You just need a laptop and a little bit of initiative, right? Well, again, I want to show you what has happened for me. And before we get into it, I'm going to tell you I'm talking about the Builderall platform. And I'll get into what that is and how specifically you can make money with it. Because there's 3 different income models here. And that's what a lot of people don't understand. And I also want to give you a marketing model for this. But before we get into it, I'll show you my numbers. So over here, as you can see, I've already cashed out. This is what I've already gotten paid from Builderall, $25,730.59. That's in my pocket. Now, what did it take me to make that? Very little effort, frankly. I made some social media posts, and that was about it. It's been a while, so I think I did a Facebook paid ads campaign. I think I spent maybe $40 on that. I don't really remember. Don't hold me to that figure. I don't know. But I mean, that's about it. And I made almost $26,000 already. Now, as you can see over here, this is the recurring income that continues to trickle in for me. And I really haven't done much else to promote this. So, as you can see, I've got this payment that came in, $616.26, on top of the other $331 that is on hold. And then what's available to me is $1,226.79. So let me explain what this means. The available money here is money I can withdraw right now. I just have to click this withdraw button, and it goes directly to my PayPal. Now, this money, payment pending, this money came in, but it is basically going to migrate over here to the on hold section, and then I think it's every Tuesday it moves over here, and I can just withdraw it. So I'm not sure, but I don't know, but if you add up those numbers, it's $2,174.75. Now, I don't know how often that comes in. I don't know if that's coming in weekly for me or every 2 weeks. Frankly, I don't know, because I don't really come here that often to do anything here. This is pretty much running for me on autopilot at this point. So I don't really work with this platform that much, but we'll see. I'll know maybe in another week or so, or 2 weeks. But anyway, if you want to get in on this, I will put a link below this video where you can get in on this, and possibly, obviously I can't guarantee anything, but possibly you could replicate my success. You might do better, you might do worse. I don't know. I'm not trying to pump sunshine up your skirt. I'm just trying to show you what is possible. Now, you know, let me go here and I'll show you how this works. Oh, first, I'll show you this. If I click on it, you can see every day new leads and new commissions come in. This is autopilot. I'm not doing anything to generate this. So what is generating this are the people that I brought into this, because you get paid from, you get a percentage of what the people underneath